Today, we'll be performing asanas for diabetes. We're going to be focusing more on twists and compressions that stretch the pancreas and thereby simulating the production of insulin producing beta cells and aiding relaxation at the same time. Start by standing nice and tall. Exhale and lengthen your torso and bend forward from the hip. Bring your palms or fingertips to the floor, and if you're flexible enough, you can deepen the stretch by touching your head to your knees. But if you're someone suffering from high blood pressure, vertigo, or spondylitis, keep your torso and head parallel to the ground. Now gently come back to standing. Now with your legs hip width apart, hinge forward as you lower your right hand lightly on your right shin, ankle, or the floor, and reach your left hand parallel to the ground, so that your leg and torso muscles have to work harder to keep your body supported. Repeat the pose with your left leg. And release. From here, kneel on the floor and sit back on your legs. As you exhale, sit up straight. Now hold it for 30 more seconds. This pose improves digestive function and increases the blood flow to the pancreas by stimulating its cells. Now up on your knees, keep them hip distance apart and in line with your shoulders. With your palms on your waist or your feet, perform a gentle back bend. This simulates your liver and kidneys, thereby controlling your diabetes. And release back into Vajrasana. Rise your hands overhead and slowly lower your head down onto the mat. Relax your tailbone towards the heels to stretch your lower back further. Inhale and come back to Vajrasana. Now stretch your legs out in front of you. Bend your knees at 90 degrees and twist towards your left while placing your left hand just behind your hip. Release and twist to the right. Due to this twist, the pancreas and the abdominal organs get a good massage. Now relax both your legs back onto the ground. From here, take a deep inhale as you extend your hands overhead, lengthen the front of your torso, lean forward from the hip joints and place your hands wherever comfortable. This pose is useful in the management of weight and diabetes. Now roll back up into a seated position and continue with few deep breaths. Along with these poses, do maintain a healthy diet and stay physically active to manage your glucose levels and thereby avoiding any further complications. Like, share and subscribe if this has helped you in any way. I'll see you in another one next week.